My name is Simón Torras. I'm from Barcelona. I studied here at Esade. I did my bachelor's in business administration, and now I'm the co-founder of Ponterra, developer and operator of large-scale nature restoration projects, which aims to solve both climate change and the biodiversity crisis. I chose Esade because I was a bit lost at the time, and that's when the idea of Esade came about. Esade has a very unique way of giving you the mix between the theoretical fundamentals and the very practical group work presentations. This prepares you not only to face the real problems in the real world, but eventually to lead a team. If I knew that Bitlasi or a program like it existed back at the time, I'm pretty sure I would have chosen it. Having this multidisciplinary approach that covers different programs from humanities to technology is, at the end of the day, the only way in which we can face the current problems that we have as society, or the challenges. There were at least two big changes in my career. The first one was from banking back to academia. I knew from the beginning that banking was not going to be like the end goal or the end path in my career. I also knew that I wanted to study, so philosophy seemed like a great opportunity to do a radical change and take some time off. And then this second shift was because of a deeper realization that we only truly value nature and put a price on it when it's dead. And my click that what I wanted to do is find a way to change this. Ponterra is born after the failure of a previous startup. We realized that what we needed to do is start a company that did precisely that. Develop large-scale nature restoration projects that were able to be marketed to the investors that were out there. What gives us more joy in general is seeing that what we're doing actually works. And we already see nature coming back, animals that were endangered coming back, water returning. The Forbes 30 under 30 is pretty cool. A lot of people at least know about it. And I think it was a good recognition, not only for us, but for the industry to raise a bit of awareness of what we're doing. By being at Esade, you have the perfect launch pad. You will have all the tools that you need to be able to tackle the problems that we're facing now. But that you also always need to have that final push. That thing that says, if you're interested in something, if you think that something can be done better, go ahead and try to change it.